Have you ever wondered if the power to shape your reality lies within you? This is where the concept of manifestation comes into play. It's an idea that has taken the self-help community by storm, suggesting that our thoughts and feelings have the potential to directly influence our reality. Imagine being able to mold your world simply by harnessing the power of your mind. Exciting, isn't it? But how does it work? And how can we harness this power more effectively? You may have heard of visualization, but manifestation is more than just picturing your desires. Visualization is a powerful tool, no doubt. It's like a blueprint, a starting point. But it's not the whole story. It's like having a car without fuel. You can sit in it, imagine the journey, but you're not going anywhere without fuel. Similarly, visualization alone won't drive your desires into reality. Belief, emotions, alignment, these are the fuel to your manifestation engine. When you believe in your desires, when you feel them in your bones, when you align with them on a deeper level, you're adding fuel to your visualization. You're turning your mental blueprint into a living, breathing reality. But just as there are advanced driving techniques to navigate a car efficiently, there are advanced techniques to enhance the manifestation process. Techniques that go beyond simple visualization. Techniques that truly harness the power of your mind and your emotions. So let's delve into these advanced techniques and unlock the full potential of manifestation. The first advanced technique is emotional amplification. This technique goes beyond the realm of mere visualization. It involves deeply feeling the emotions you would experience once your desire becomes a reality. Can you imagine the joy, the excitement, the satisfaction? That's right. You need to feel these emotions so intensely that they become a part of your present reality. Practicing emotional amplification involves immersing yourself in these emotions daily, allowing them to permeate your being and fuel your manifestation process. The second technique is clear intention setting. This is more than just knowing what you want. It's about defining your desires in precise, unambiguous terms. Want a new job? Don't just visualize a new office. Instead, specify the type of job, the role, the company, the location, even down to the office decor if you wish. By setting clear intentions, you give direction to your manifestation energy, enhancing its effectiveness in bringing your desires into reality. Finally, we have the third technique, action-oriented manifestation. This approach emphasizes that manifestation is not just about thinking or feeling, it's also about doing. It's about taking concrete steps towards your goal, no matter how small they may seem. Want that new job? Start updating your resume, improve your skills, network with industry professionals. Every action you take aligns you with your desired reality, making manifestation not just a passive process, but an active journey towards your goals. Each of these techniques, emotional amplification, clear intention setting, and action-oriented manifestation, plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. They go beyond mere visualization, providing a more comprehensive and effective approach to manifestation. By integrating these techniques into your manifestation practice, you can enhance its effectiveness and influence your reality more powerfully. So, what have we learned about effective manifestation? In this journey, we've uncovered the raw power of manifestation, a force that influences our reality and shapes our lives. It's not just about thinking and hoping, it's about believing and creating. But we've also discovered that visualization, while a potent tool, has its limits. It can set the stage, but it rarely delivers the final act. This brings us to the advanced techniques we've explored. Emotional amplification, for instance, is not just about seeing but feeling your goals, immersing yourself in the emotions that your desired reality evokes. This approach ties your vision to your heart, making it more tangible, more real. Then there's clear intention setting, where we move beyond vague ambitions to define clear, specific goals. It's about knowing exactly what you want in all its detail and committing to it wholeheartedly. This clarity makes your path more defined, guiding your actions and decisions. Finally, we discussed action-oriented manifestation. Here, we marry our desires with dedicated action, understanding that manifestation is not a passive process, but an active pursuit. It's about taking tangible steps towards your goals, proving to yourself and the universe that you're serious about your dreams. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. Now you have advanced tools to wield this power more effectively. Start manifesting your desires today.